Engineering, I'll tell you, you change one thing and you just have to chase it down and chase it down. This Paulk Total Station ultralight that I'm working on, this is the Paulk Total Station. I made a copy of it and I'm peeling it apart and updating it to be the ultralight. And not one piece here is from the other bench. Every piece has been drawn from scratch. So it's just completely being redone. I mean, they're close, but anyway, I'll do an update video and show you where I'm at and what I'm working on. But what I actually was doing this video was I got this email from Jeff, and I thought this was pretty cool, so I wanted to share the photos. I wish Jeff had a video of it. And Jeff, if you see this, make a video just with your phone. Just walk around and talk about it. And if you don't have a way to post it, Dropbox it to me, and I'll put it up here so that we could all take a look at it. It's pretty cool. So if Festool made a Paulk Workbench, it might look like this. I like the colors. It looks like maybe it's on casters, so he's built this really neat support for it. And it's hard to tell, but it looks like under there's casters maybe. He's using it for an outfeed for his big 10-inch Powermatic. And so he's got the Paulk Workbench underneath. It looks like the PCB, the compact bench, and painted the nice Festool green. And then he's got the top, but he's got it sort of overlapped and then put these, looks like maybe the Craig tracks or these tracks on the edges. Of course, he's got the cut through, so his any of his fixtures on his table saw will push through. And then he's got the clamping holes, the 20mm clamping holes. It is cool. Here's another angle on it. He's made his little cubbies to fit the Festool boxes, which is pretty cool. And again, if you kind of look, you can almost see maybe there's a wheel there. So let us know, Jeff, if this thing can move around. Maybe that's just levelers. It's really hard to tell. But pretty cool bench. So I thought I'd take a couple minutes and share this with you. And if it is just pleasing and exciting to see an idea that I put out there some years ago that I continue to evolve and improve as I use it, but also that I see you guys out there that get the plans and then go in a different direction and customize it for your particular shop needs or construction needs. It's really fulfilling to see some of these ideas come together. So if any of you out there have a bench you've built and you've just as designed, or if you've gone in a different direction, if you've built it out of exotic materials, or I saw one guy sent me a picture he had overlaid it with copper as a gift for I think his father-in-law, which was a longtime pilot. So anyway, there's a lot of neat stuff out there, and I love seeing it. And I'll also put these up on the Paulk Workbench Pinterest page and Instagram and all of that as well. So again, if you've got any photos, and better yet, make a video and then just Dropbox it to me. I'll take the video in and I'll do the editing and clean it up and make it look good and get it down to a smaller size and post it here so that all the subscribers here can take a look. Hey, if you want to build yourself a Paulk compact bench and go your own direction, or the Total Station, Paulk Workbench 2, my great stand-up desk, which I use more than any of my benches, you can click on the link right here in the video. Also, you'll find a link to my Ron's Amazon store. I jury that myself so that it's only tools that I use are there. So if you do that, Amazon gives us a little bit, doesn't charge you any extra, and it helps support the channel. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.